We cover all of the basic skills: brakes, steering, suspension, electrical, heating and air conditioning.
A lot of technology, it's changing day to day, and you need to be prepared to face it each day. We start with the lecture and then we move on to the hands-on experience, changing the parts, reprogramming everything, like seeing each code, how it was programmed. Hands-on learning is the best thing you can study here.
Learning about cars just in general will help you in the future to diagnose your own car's problems.
You can take this skill set and go anywhere in the world and be able to perform your job.